Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, April the 29th at Dollar General. And in this video, I have 7 awesome deals to share with you all. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a bunch of other videos for you all this week. So if you missed out on any of them, make sure that you go and check them out. They're going to be all linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, I also wanted to go ahead and mention that we did receive some new Dollar General digital coupons on our accounts this morning. So first up, we have this new digital coupon. It's buy one, get one free on the canisters. Next up, I'm not sure if this one is new or if it's just now popping up on my account, but either way, it does expire tomorrow on Saturday. It's a 2 off 1 for the Downy Rinse and Refresh. Next up, we also received this 75-cent off 1 digital coupon for the Vicks Vapo Cool Cough Drops 18 count. Those are priced at $2, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.25. Then we also received a 1 off 1 for the Didn't Need More Stews, so those are priced at $3.45. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.45. Then we also received a 2 off 1 for the Dove Men Plus Care Body Wash. These are priced at $5.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. Next up, we received a 3 off 1 digital coupon for the Dove Body Love products. So if you want to pick up the Body Love cleansers, those are priced at $6.15. Plus, we have a 1 off 1 DG store coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $2.15. Then we also received a new 2 off 1 digital coupon on the Dove Body Wash, but unfortunately, it is only showing as attaching to this lavender one, which is on clearance right now for $5.60. So I know that this is probably going to be a harder item to find, but if you can find it, it's going to be a really good deal. So if you pick up one of those, use the 3 off 1 DG store coupon plus that 2 off 1 manufacturer coupon, and that's going to leave you paying just 60 cents for one. Now, if you find 3 of them, go ahead and pick up all 3, because we do have a 3 off 10 DG store coupon as well that is stacking with both of those coupons, and that's going to leave you paying $8.80 for all 3. Now, if you guys can't find the lavender scented body wash at your stores, I would definitely go ahead and pick up some of the other scents and scan them with your Dollar General app to see if this digital coupon will attach to them. I was going to run out today, but unfortunately I'm just running out of time, and we have 2 soccer games tonight. Now, I will be at Dollar General tomorrow morning as soon as the doors open, so if I do find any that do attach with these coupons, I will let you guys know, and I'll post that in the community tab. Now, also, before we get into these scenarios, I want to go ahead and let you guys know that I have included a couple of rebates that we have on Inbox Dollars. So if you guys are not already signed up for Inbox Dollars, make sure that you go and check it out. My referral link is going to be in the pinned comment as well as the description box below. And if you use it, you're going to get a free $5 sign-up bonus. All right, now for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it is very important when you are in the store to scan each and every item with your Dollar General app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also, you want to scan each item to price check, because prices can vary from store to store. All right, so for our first deal, we have a gain scenario. So for this one, you want to pick up 2 of the Gain Scented Mr. Clean Clean Freaks at $6 each, 1 of the Gain Liquid Laundry Detergents at $5.50, 1 Gain Laundry product priced at $4.50. You can choose from the Flings, the Fabric Softener, the Dryer Sheets, or the Fireworks. Then you want to pick up 1 of the Gain Fireworks priced at $4.50, 1 Gain Scented Swiffer product at $5.50. You can choose from the Mopping Cloth refills or the Swiffer Duster Starter Kits. Then you want to pick up a Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1 and the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrush for $1, and that's going to put your subtotal at $34. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need your 5 off 30 Gain DG store coupon and your 5 off 25, your $5.50 off 2 Mr. Clean products, the 1 off 1 Gain Liquid Laundry Detergent, the 1 off 1 Gain Laundry product, the 3 off 1 Gain Fireworks, the 2 off 1 Swiffer, the 2 off 1 Crest, and the 2 off 1 Oral-B. Your subtotal after coupons will be $7.50 for 8 items, making each one just 93 cents each. Now, if you're at a store with the newer registers where you're not going to get that overage, or if you can't find the Crest and Oral-B at your store, don't worry about it, just leave those off. That's going to put your subtotal at $32, and after coupons, you're going to pay $9.50 for 6 items, making each one just $1.58 each. All right, now I know that everybody did not receive that 3 off 1 digital coupon for the Gain Fireworks, so here's an alternative if you don't have that exclusive coupon on your account. You can pick up 2 of the Gain Scented Mr. Clean Clean Freaks at $6 each, 1 of the Gain Liquid Laundry Detergents at $5.50, 1 Gain Laundry product priced at $4.50, 1 of the Gain Scented Febreze Fabric Refreshers at $4, 1 of the Gain Swiffer products at $5.50, the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1, and the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrush for $1, and that's going to put your subtotal at $33.50. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need your 5 off 30 gain and your 5 off 25, your $5.50 off 2 Mr. Clean, the 1 off 1 gain liquid laundry detergent, the 1 off 1 gain laundry product, the $2.30 off 1 Febreze fabric refresher, the 2 off 1 Swiffer, the 2 off 1 Crest, and the 2 off 1 Oral-B. After coupons, you're going to pay $7.70 for 8 items, making each one just 96 cents each. And if you want to do this deal without the Crest and Oral-B, just leave those items off. That's going to put your subtotal at $31.50, and after coupons, you're going to pay $9.70 for 6 items, making each one just $1.61 each. All right, now for this next scenario, you want to pick up one of the all laundry detergents priced at $3.75, 2 of the Arm & Hammer scent beads priced at $4.25 each, 1 of the Finish Quantum dishwasher tablets priced at $4.45, 1 Febreze fabric refresher at $4, 1 of the Febreze plugins at $3.50, 2 American greeting cards priced at 50 cents each, 1 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste at $1, and 1 of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes for $1, and that's going to put your subtotal at $27.20. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 125 off 1 All in Snuggle product, the 125 off 1 Arm & Hammer product, the 2 off 1 Finish, $2.30 off 1 Febreze fabric refresher, the $2.30 off 1 Febreze plug-in, the 1 off 2 American greeting cards, the 2 off 1 Crest, and the 2 off 1 Oral-B. After coupons, you're going to pay $8.10 for 10 items. But then the deal gets even better because you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get $1 back on the Finish Quantum dishwasher tablets, and then you're also going to submit your receipt to Inbox Dollars, and you're going to get $5 back for purchasing 2 of the Arm & Hammer scent beads. So that's going to make your final price just $2.10 for 10 items, making each one just 21 cents each. Now, if you want to do this deal without the Crest and Oral-B, your subtotal is going to be $25.20. After coupons, you're going to pay $10.10. After all of your rebates come back, that's going to make your final price $4.10 for 8 items, making each one just 51 cents each. All right, now for this next scenario, you want to pick up 2 of the 43-ounce bottles of Clorox bleach at $4 each, 1 of the all laundry detergents priced at $3.75, 1 Febreze fabric refresher at $4, 1 of the Sparkle 4-count paper towels at $5, 1 of the Lysol multi-purpose cleaners for $1, 1 of the DG home batteries for $1, 2 American greeting cards for 50 cents each, 1 Believe Beauty nail file for $1.25, 1 Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1, and 1 of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes for $1, and that's going to put your subtotal at $27. All right, and here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Clorox, the 1 off 1 Clorox and Pine Sol products, the 125 off 1 All or Snuggle product, the $2.30 off 1 Febreze fabric refresher, 1 off 1 Sparkle paper towels, 50 cents off 1 Lysol, 50 cents off 1 Energizer batteries, 1 off 2 American greeting cards, 1 off 1 Believe Beauty product, the 2 off 1 Crest, and the 2 off 1 Oral-B. After coupons, you're going to pay $8.45 for 12 items. But then the deal gets even better because you're going to submit your receipt to Inbox Dollars and get $2 back for purchasing 2 of the Clorox bleach, and that's going to make your final price $6.45 for 12 items, making each one just 53 cents each. All right, now if you want to do this deal without the Crest and Oral-B, that's going to put your subtotal at $25. After coupons, you're going to pay $10.45, and your final price will be $8.45 for 10 items, making each one just 84 cents each. All right, now for these next few scenarios, I do want to give a big shout out and thank you to our amazing friend, Deborah Williams-Buss, for helping us out this week. She sent in these deals. So for this one, we have a diaper deal. You want to pick up 1 box of the Love's diapers priced at $17.50, 1 of the Splenda 3.8-ounce bags for $2.75, 1 Believe Beauty nail polish at $1.25, 1 of the Febreze plugins for $3.50, 2 American greeting cards for 50 cents each, 1 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1, and 1 Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrush for $1. That's going to put your subtotal at $28. And here's a look at the coupons that you're going to need. So your 5 off 25, your 4 off 1 Love's, 2 off 1 Splenda, 1 off 1 Believe Beauty product, $2.30 off 1 Febreze plugin, 1 off 2 American greeting cards, 2 off 1 Crest, and your 2 off 1 Oral-B. After coupons, you're going to pay $8.70 for 8 items, making each one just $1.08 each. All right, now for our next one, you want to pick up 3 of the Dove lavender body washes priced at $5.60 each, 1 Believe Beauty nail file at $1.25, 1 of the Splenda 3.8-ounce bags at $2.75, 1 of the Febreze plugins at $3.50, 2 American greeting cards at 50 cents each. That's going to put your subtotal at $25.30. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 2 off 1 Dove body wash, the 3 off 1 Dove body wash DG store coupon, the 3 off 10 Dove DG store coupon, the 1 off 1 Believe, the 2 off 1 Splenda, the $2.30 off 1 Febreze plugin, and the 1 off 2 American greeting cards. After coupons, you're going to pay $6 for 8 items, making each one just 75 cents each. All right, now for this last one, you want to pick up 1 of the Dove Body Love cleansers at $6.15, 1 of the Skintimate women's razors priced at $6.50, 2 of the Garnier Fructis shampoos and conditioners priced at $3.50 each, one of the CoverGirl eyeliners priced at $4.95, one Believe Beauty nail polish at $1.25, and 2 American greeting cards priced at 50 cents each. That's going to put your subtotal at $26.85. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 3 off 1 Dove Body Love, the 1 off 1 Vaseline Dove DG Store coupon, the 4 off 1 Skintimate Razors, the 3 off 2 Garnier Fructis, the 3 off 1 CoverGirl Eye, the 1 off 1 Believe Beauty, and the 1 off 2 American greeting cards. After coupons, you're going to pay $5.85 for all 8 items, making each one just 73 cents each. Alright guys, now I try to keep these videos around 10 minutes or less, so that's going to be it for me for now, but I will leave some additional notes down in the pinned comment below, so make sure that y'all check that out. And before you go, do all the things. Subscribe, turn on your notifications, hit that thumbs up button, leave me a smile down in the comment section below, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have an amazing weekend, and I will see you on the next one.